Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix storage full when space remains on your DJI Osmo Action 6. In that case, you may want to do a few things. The first one is disable loop recording if you have it currently on. And to do that, simply slide up, then select that, and you can see loop recording. Make sure it's set to video instead. Then the next thing is to delete all files via playback menu. So let's see the playback menu, and you may want to delete some files here. By selecting them and clicking on three dots and deleting. And also, if you've used your SD card on the computer, especially on Mac, but not necessarily, also on Windows it may happen, but especially on Macs, if you've deleted the files through that Mac, then remember to also, while the SD card is plugged into your Mac, empty the trash. Instead, if not, then the files will still stay but will be invisible on the SD card until you empty the trash. So make sure to empty the trash before you unplug your SD card from your Mac. Or just go into trash and delete the files, because otherwise it will just stay. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.